Hey guys, Mark from Lister Motorsports. This is my personal Jaguar. It's an 09 XKR, and I've had this car for quite a while now. I am going to sell it. I'm going to get something else, just a little bit of change of scenery. So we'll do a quick walk around and show you guys everything, and then we're going to go for a ride. This has been a fantastic car. Last video I made was kind of shaky with the El Camino. I'm going to redo that video later today. Interior is gorgeous. Just got some of my footprints on the rugs. But this car has the wood trim package. It's got the Bauer Wilkins stereo system. It's got just about every option you could get in 09. 4 brand new tires, the Continentals. I've taken really good care of this car. It's a little dusty and stuff. I drive it and it gets used and loved. Some of these cars, you know, you see these cars with really low miles on them. It's great to brag to your friends about how low the miles are on your car. But sometimes that's not good. Some of these cars that I've bought with real low miles on them, they tend to leak and have issues. When a car's driven, everything just kind of stays lubricated and nice. This car is pinned straight. These bodies are aluminum, which is incredible. The early Jaguar race cars were all hand done aluminum, but this body style is amazing. I'm not a convertible guy. I really prefer the coupes. Look at that thing, man. Oof. That's sweet. If anybody's interested, there's more pictures on my website at buyasoutherncar.com, and I can be reached by phone at 704-508-2150. We're going to jump in and start her up, go for a little ride. Look at those tires, nice and wide. Great car. I've had a few of these. They're just awesome. Awesome cars. And this one is supercharged. Let's get around the other side here. Let's fire her up. Got the push button start stop. The wheel adjusts as soon as you get in. Got this really nice screen here. We got heated seats, which I love. No check engine lights, no issues of any kind. The wood just really sets it off. I put my seat belt on, otherwise she's gonna ding. I'm gonna put that down for a second and get my seat belt because I have not learned how to edit YouTube videos yet. Listen to this exhaust. She just snaps, crackles, and pops when you're going down the road. And this stereo system, this Bowers and Wilkins stereo audio system, is incredible. The car's got Bluetooth. It's got XM satellite radio. It's really got everything you could want in a car. The 09 is the last year with the shifter. With this shifter. After that, they put buttons in them. 2010 and newer. I don't care for the buttons. I really like the shifter. I don't know where to put my hand in when I drive one of the newer ones. Anyway, I'm just going to go down the road here. Nice stop sign there. Somebody watch that and send the cop to my house to give me a ticket. No squeaks, no rattles, no nothing. Just a very solid car. If you guys like what you see, please give me a call. 704-508-2150. I'm gonna make sure to stop at this stop sign. And if you like Corvettes and Jaguars and you want to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel down below. That would be very cool. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Over and out.